Hello, and welcome to our kitchen. Today, I'll show you how to cook Rayant's Mediterranean salmon 3 ways. The salmon is Norwegian caught and mildly marinated with Mediterranean flavors like onion and lemon, garlic, and tomato. The beauty of this product is the ease and versatility in cooking. You can use the microwave, you can use your oven, or you can use the stovetop. Today we're going to use a grill. You simply open the box. It's tamper-proof on both ends. Remove from the box the inner sleeve. This inner sleeve is microwave safe and it's oven safe. Now let's get started in cooking these 3 different ways. First, for the microwave. Take your product straight from the box, spread it out like this, and place it into the microwave on high heat for 1 minute. At the end of 1 minute, open, remove, but don't touch the fish because it's going to be hot. Turn it over, put it back into the microwave, 1 more minute. At the end of 1 minute, remove from the microwave and check with your thermometer. Okay? Puncture straight through on the fat side, right in the middle. We're looking for 74 degrees C, which is 165 F. If you've hit that, let it rest for 5 minutes. End of your 5 minutes. You have a beautiful salmon. Perfectly cooked. Place your salmon onto your plate. This reserved juice is just the marinade. Place it right over the top. And enjoy. The second way is in the oven. Preheat your oven to 200 degrees C. That's 400 degrees up. In an oven-proof pan, take the same salmon out of the box, skin side down. Place it into the oven on the middle rack and let the oven go for 10 minutes. At the end of 10 minutes, you remove from the oven and simply turn it. Place it back into the oven for 10 more minutes. At the end of that next 10 minutes, remove the salmon from the oven. Check with your thermometer, again, in the middle, thick side of the salmon. You're looking for 74 degrees. That's 165 F. Let it rest for 5 minutes, and again the same way, and plate, and enjoy. The third way is on your stovetop. On your stovetop is a little bit different. You're going to film your saute pan with your favorite oil. Then this is a little different. You're going to open the package, remove the salmon, and place it skin side up. As it cooks, you'll notice that the flesh is going to start turning brown. When the flesh is turned brown all the way around, that's the time that you flip it. Again, at the end of that 3 to 5 minutes, take your thermometer, put it into the thickest part, look for 74, 165 oven. And remove from the heat and allow to rest for 5 minutes. Then place onto your plate and enjoy. Thank you very much for watching. Subscribe to our channel to see more Rayant's cooking videos. You can also like us on Facebook and see us on Instagram.